Quick disclaimer, this video is just made to provide information on black money. With that sweet note, let's begin. First, let's understand the term black money. In simple words, black money is money on which taxes are not paid. Usually, you have to pay a percentage of your income to the government. When you don't do this, your income becomes black money. Basically, there is no record of existence of the money in the government. So it is not even legal to have black money. To better understand black money, let's take an example. Suppose a person hides money and doesn't let anybody know about it, not even the government. Thus, the money he has is black money. Now, the problem with black money is that the government does not have a record of the money, so it cannot actually tax it. It's usually not as simple, but you get the idea, right? Thus, the government will not receive taxes on the money that the person possesses. This is really a loss for the government. Hence, black money is illegal. Now, black money is obtained as simply as by not paying taxes on your income. But there are other ways people obtain black money, like by selling prohibited goods or human trafficking. It also includes less severe methods like selling stolen credit cards or selling copyrighted material. Now, as you can probably tell, black money is a sign of corruption. Black money causes financial leakage as unreported income that is not taxed causes the government to lose revenue. Further, black money causes the financial health of a nation to be underestimated. It is extremely difficult to estimate the amount of black money in any country. The unreported earnings cannot be included in a country's GDP. Thus, a country's estimates of savings, expenses, and other macroeconomic variables would be misleading. These inaccuracies adversely affect planning and policy making. Now, there is no doubt that black money is bad, but it can actually have some benefits, although it is pretty rare to have any. Black money produces the most benefits in societies with the most oppressive laws. For example, many ordinary market economic transactions were illegal in the Soviet Union. People turned to the underground economy to alleviate shortages and obtain banned goods. Black money can also help to reduce the impact of systematic racism. Historically, governments banned certain races from holding land, trading securities, or otherwise exercising their natural rights to engage in commerce. These bans pushed some victims of discrimination into less regulated areas where they were free to earn black money. Now, let me say this again and make it extremely clear. Black money is illegal. If you are caught, there can be extreme consequences. So it is best not to obtain it. This video was aimed to provide you with information and spread awareness about this topic. Here is a summary of everything we covered in this video. If you liked this video, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and comment your thoughts in the description. Thanks for watching.